Again, we're facing a tough situation. No need to be basing, cause time will be wasting. We've been through this type of thing before. When I stepped to the ride and used to crying in the door. I really hate moments that turn out like these. I sell the 7 C's if I thought that it would ease the discomfort we feel when we must part. There's not a man alive that wouldn't feel it in his heart. Living out a suitcase, always on the move. I really appreciate the fact that you've always waited and been ready and willing, supporting what I'm doing and how I'm feeling. Traveling all over may keep the bills paid, but I couldn't stand myself if our love was to fade. Over and over I dwell on this issue, cause when I'm away I can't help but miss you. Tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait for me. I gotta come back someday, so tell me that you wait for me. I'm leaving on a jet plane, so tell me that you wait for me. Tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait for me. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I gotta come back someday, so tell me that you wait for me. I'm leaving on a jet plane, so tell me that you wait for me. Hold your tears, you know I hate to see you cry. I get so choked up each time we say goodbye. My heart gets inflamed from all the pain. My head gets light and I don't feel the same. I try to stay cool and be strong for you, so you don't see all the hurt that I'm feeling too. I know you always tell me to just let go, but when the time arrives I find it hard to show you a side of me that's rarely been seen. Coming clean, it's just not an easy thing, though I believe that there's nothing we can't discuss. My emotional side has began to rust from a lack of use and a little abuse, so it will take a little time before I let loose. But be patient with me, sweetness, cause I love you more and more. I never experienced this before. Tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait for me. I gotta come back someday, so tell me that you wait for me. I'm leaving on a jet plane, so tell me that you wait for me. Tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait, tell me that you wait for me. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I gotta come back someday, so tell me that you wait for me. I'm leaving on a jet plane, so tell me
glass behind a blind of plastic plants. Finds a lady with a fat diamond ring. Then you know I can't remember a damn thing. I think it's one of those deja vu things, or a dream is trying to tell me something, but will I ever stop thinking about it? I don't know, I doubt it. Subterranean by design. I wonder what I would find if I met you. Let my eyes caress you until I meet the thought of Mrs. Princess who often wonder what makes her work. I guess I'll leave that question to the experts, assuming that there are some out there. They're probably alone, solitaire. I can remember when I caught up with a pastime intimate friend. She said, but you're probably gonna say I look lovely, but you probably don't think nothing of me. She was right though, I can't lie. She's just one of those corners of my mind, and I'll just put her right back with the rest. That's the way it goes, I guess. Baby, you send me baby, you send me I'm sad adrift on memory bliss. Baby, you send me baby, you send me I'm sad adrift on memory bliss of you.
Forget about the past. stand by to my fantasy. Me too. When you need to give another chance today, for the time there is a past apart with human being. Do you rather like to feel what is my life? If you're really going to listen, baby, at my fantasy and me. Don't let me go. Don't cry tonight. Don't let me go. Don't cry tonight. Memories of dreams. As you're hanging upon me, do you love melody? Give a golden toys to an upset time away. As a human being at last, we have the melody. We do. Don't let me go. Don't cry tonight. 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 Don't let me go. Don't cry tonight.
Children of nature, from another culture, had to survive, living in the light, stolen from the center of the world, untimely departure, somehow survive, living in the light. Oh, had to survive, living in the light, have to stay alive, living in the light, had to survive, living in the light. Because of culture, oh, the sound of the street of vendor knew you had to survive, living in the light. Beautiful yet scattered, through it all, your spirit never shattered, meant to stay alive, living what I mean. Those who don't, I'll tell you. Follow good feelings too, and let the superficial pass you by. Oh yeah, living in the light, yeah. To survive, living in the light. Nature have to stay alive, living in the light. Had to survive, living in the light. Where the light so bright, yeah. Had to survive, living in the light. Have to stay alive, living in the light. Had to survive, living in the light. Oh, had to survive, living in the light. Have to stay alive, living in the light. Had to survive, yes, in a light so bright. Had to guide you home. Children of nature, living in the light, yes. Had to survive.
It happened long ago when I don't know. You and I, my friend, one day we'll meet again. You're the feeling, the greatest one of all. Hey, little girl, crying in your sleep. You need a man to love, a man to stand by you. You're the feeling, the greatest one of all. You touch my soul. I'm coming back to you for good. I feel in love. All that we've got is each other. Looking at my that I don't know the way that you feel. She's tearing me apart. She's tearing me apart. You know that looking at my girl in the eyes. She's tearing me apart. She's tearing me apart. You know that I don't know the way that you feel. She's tearing me apart. She's tearing me apart.
reason why I have to say goodbye to you. All these lonely nights, they just don't seem so right for you. I'm sending you all my love. I'm sending all my love to you. I'm sending all my love. Sending all my love to you. Nothing really matters to me when you're gone. When you're gone, nothing really matters to me when you're gone. When you're gone.
don't mean a thing. The second's persistent, but I'm on the upswing. Time or dimension of love at first, but when you really fall in love, you never give it a reverse. Back up, but then slack up, I won't hear of pushing and shoving to get to my lady love. I'm her protection, she's my divine. If she was a drink, she'd be a fine wine. Oh yeah, a little over there, whisper a little something into her ear. Touch me so much, I fall into a clutch. She'd be the Duchess, I'd be the Dutch. With two great tastes that taste great together. We'll be around forever and ever. A symbol of love that will last through time. A river in France, a statue in the Guggenheim. Never leave a stone unturned, ungrown fern. With you as my girl, these things I have learned. Be good, stay honest, and oh so true. And her love will come back to you. She's my one and only, 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 only.
Once again.
And when I ever see you in my dreams, oh, I close my eyes
wanna wake up with the love in the morning light. Take you in my arms, squeeze so tight. Take you for the way to the Disneyland. So like Chevrolet said, be the loving man. Loving affection is what I'm looking for. I'm the gangster of love, so make your heart pour. Love you tender, love you so sweet. For the love ain't shit without the funky beat. Time going to be school. Jump off the rhythm, yes, off the funky groove. Take it to the way, to the one she's got. Yo, you gotta say, you gotta like.
And when I ever see you in my dreams, oh, I close my eyes and fall in love with you, oh. And when I ever see you in my dreams, oh, you hold me in your arms and love me too.
See you in my dreams.
And when I ever see you in my dreams, oh, I close my eyes and fall in love with you, oh. And when I ever see you in my dreams, oh, you hold me in your arms and love me too.
I can read it in your